and in today's video we're showing you how to make this DIY giant lollipop.
This is such a fun craft to do around the holiday season. It's actually really cheap.
Right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it.
We spent $6 on this giant lollipop project, and we got all the materials we needed at the dollar store. Let's show you guys what you'll need. We're starting with 2 big bowls, preferably Christmas colors, a cheap mop or a stick, some clear or color cellophane, and to top it all off, a nice shiny bow. You're also gonna need a hot glue gun, and make sure you have adult supervision because this thing gets hot. First step is to glue these bowls together. The ones we bought make a shape of like kind of a blow pop, as you guys can see, and just so happens the kind of bridge gives it that line that goes in the center of lollipops.
Alright, in this first step we're gonna heat up that glue gun and glue these bowls together. As you can see, we're just gonna apply some glue in areas where the bowls meet, push them down together, and hold it for a minute while the glue dries. The next step will be attaching the stick for this lollipop. We were lucky enough to find this mop at the dollar store, and what's nice about it is that we can remove the stick from the actual mop head. We'll start by removing all the threads from this mop head, which luckily can be easily pulled out. And then we will snip away this raised area, leaving a nice flat surface that we can glue to our lollipop. We're going to remove the stick to make this process easier and start gluing down this base. We will start by finding the center of the bowl, load up our hot glue gun, and give it a nice generous amount of glue on the inside. Then we will glue that down and then come back with another nice thick bead of glue along the outside. We then reattach the stick and we got ourselves a giant lollipop.
The lollipop is done, now all we need to do is wrap it up.
In this last step, we top it off with some cellophane. We use some wire to tie it at the base, and then top it off with a nice big Christmas bow.
And that's it for this giant DIY lollipop. This is such a cool thing to do around the holiday season. Like we said earlier, only costs around $6. It's really cool. You can use it outdoors or indoor decoration. And if you guys want to see more things like this, we're gonna be making kind of a swirly lollipop in our next video. So subscribe and stay tuned for that one. You guys may have already seen the Nightmare for Christmas tree behind us. If you guys want to know how to make that one or our DIY Grinch tree, go check it out in our DIY Christmas playlist. Let us know what you guys think about this DIY lollipop. If you guys like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.